we have made a pulley here, sort of. It's going to be, I had to make a pulley for a school project. So what I decided to do is 3D print it and turn it into a video, because I've been wanting to do some 3D printing videos. Great way to multitask, right? Let's see. Everything seems to be in working order. So this is going to be a pin that you put through there. I'm going to put glue in this hole, put it there, and it's going to stick, so then it'll hopefully be able to like spin, sort of. And then there's going to be a rope around this thing, sort of. In my head it should work, hopefully. So we're going to export it and then print it. Okay, so I've got it loaded up in my slicer here. It's gonna print this tower as like a support-like thing, sort of. It's kind of complicated, and I don't understand most of it myself. But let's see. Make sure this looks good to me. All right, so we're gonna print it now. Send it to printer. Takes a minute. And now it will print. Cue time lapse. Okay, so the print has finished. Who's that? There. It is looking good. Time to just get it off the build plate. It's a little stuck. Yeah, there we go. This part came up. Looks good. Some little strings ago. I'll clear all those off. The hole looks big enough. This thing got some strings on the inside of it. Other than that, looks good. Pick this thing up. And I'll get this. This is the support tower thingy. I don't know why it doesn't really. I think it has something to help the time lapse or something. I just want to pull this up, and if I do that, I'm afraid I'll snap off the little pull thing. Alright. Cue cleaning up 3D print and stuff montage. I don't know. Cue that. Okay, so we're going to be putting this thing together. It's mostly together already. First off, we got some Gorilla Glue. Putting it in this tiny little hole right here. There. Now, what we're going to do next is we got this thing. We're going to put this with the rod pole thingy through. Hold it there tight, and then to hold the glue on it, connect that to the rod pole thing, and it will harden is what I want to say. It's not. Oh, right. The glue will dry. That's the word. But it our pulley is working. Mostly. Yeah, it works. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll wrap it up for our 3D printing pulley video. I intend to do more 3D printing videos in the future. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Adios.